I just want to say thank you very, very, very much for all the support that everyone has given me. I'm absolutely blown away by the number of subscribers I've now got on YouTube. It's so humbling, and it sounds like rubbish, doesn't it? Like everyone says, "Oh, it's really," but it is for me. It's I can't really comprehend that, you know. But so thank you very much, everybody. Please keep your notification bell on. Please keep subscribing. Please keep sharing, because it gives me the encouragement to do new things, and I've got some really good plans coming up. Yeah, it's just going to be an exciting year. So again, thank you very much. Another little project. I've already done some, but we'll go through the process I do for treating my stainless. Obviously, I don't do cryo. I haven't got the facilities to do that, and to be honest, speaking to the experts, with this kind of steel, which is the 14C28N, it doesn't need it. As long as you do a good air quench, which I think I can, hold temperatures at 1050 with old Franken oven here, which I can do, we can rock and roll. So we'll have a go with that as well. So lots of projects coming up, lots of different things coming up, lots of exciting things hopefully coming up. So stick with me. I'm sorry that not everyone could have won the competition. Trust me, if I could, I'd love to make it a knife for everyone. But I can't. I haven't got the time, can't afford it, etc. But if you do want a knife, and you haven't been lucky enough to win, send me an email. I am selling them to kind of cover my costs of my hobby. So, you know, if you're interested, just let me know. Right, I'm assuming that all of you have watched my destruction test video. Well, if you haven't, go and watch it, because this will make complete sense. And for those of you who have watched it, I'm going to mount this up. I think I'm going to clean it all up in the resin, sort it all out, and put a little plaque that says everything has its breaking point. What do you reckon? Be quite cool, wouldn't it? And I don't know if you know, but I do different stuff anyway. I'm working on this one. We went to our local beach and got a load of shells. I made some resin, and this is going to be a little soap dish thing for the wife. So yeah, that's cool. So I do knives, but I do other stuff as well. And this, as you can see, it's a shuttlecock. Now, I recently been away, and this was something that we got up there, and I thought we'll keep that, and I'll make something out of it. So keep your eyes peeled, because this is going to be something quite cool, I think. There we are. Yeah, so it's just a few things that I do beside the knives. Anyway, I've dragged this out long enough. Bye. Just doing a bit of heat treating, and the winner's knife is in the oven now. Get nice and tempered. So that's underway. Just want to tell you about a couple of projects I've got coming up. I'm going to complete the sand mine knife. That's also in there. That's been heat treated. So that's almost ready to rock. I want to go through a bit more about the different types of resin scales I'm doing, because I think these are looking pretty funky now. Other projects, I've been keeping it quiet, but I'm going to tell you now. We're going to be doing a bit of green sand casting. Okay, there's something I've been itching to make for a long time, and so we're going to make it. So I've got myself a bar of bronze. So that's giving you a big clue, right? We're going to make grain sand, so we're going to go through how we make that from simple ingredients, i.e. cat litter, believe it or not, and some kiln dried sand, and we'll go through the making of that. And what we'll do, we'll go through the whole stage about making the you know, the boxes that I can't remember, the dragon cope, is it? I can't remember what they're called now. It's been a long time since I've done it. Anyway, so we'll make all that up, and then we're going to make a special little thing. Right guys, this is the latest knife I'm working on. Nearly finished. You've got a bit of tidying up to do. It is a stabilised U. You can see stunning with red G10 liners. Just got to finish tidying, I say. So you have to forgive it. My own pins I make. There you go. Obviously, you know, all that usual stuff. Razor sharp. There you go, that's another one. That's in AT CRV2. Oh, look at that. Does it get any better? Chatoyance. That's what the word I'm looking for. Can you see the chatoyance? There we are. This one will be available. So there you go. Like 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. So we're going to do the draw now. I'll put this up tonight. But in the meantime, what I'll do is I'll block all comments and everything on the YouTube channel on that video so that no one else can go onto it, if that makes sense. Right then, if my beautiful assistant is ready, if you go for gold, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Need a drum roll. And the winner is Nick the Chippy. It says, great video, Sean. Hopefully I'll win. Hee hee, great knives. I love them, mate, Nick. So, congratulations, Nick. Get in contact with me and we'll sort it out from there. For the rest of you, don't get disappointed. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing a Damascus giveaway. Ooh! So stay tuned. Got lots of exciting stuff coming on and I'll see you soon. Bye!